Nice little 59 Electra 225. The deuce and a quarter. Gosh, unbelievable. Look at that chrome. Oh gosh, let's go up the 59, 58, 59. Of course, we got the 59 Mercedes 220S. Is that beautiful? Overhead cam, 6-cylinder, 2 carburetors. That's why it's called the S. We're going to the extremes into the Ford Anglia. Tiny little 4-cylinder, typical British Ford, into the Bonnies. Look at these cars. Jeez, the length of them. The length of them. And what's funny is that the Buick was even bigger. Oh, I gotta capture this roofline for you because this is very, very 60s GM. Look at the way how the dogleg comes around. The A-pillar just swings around, and how high that windshield goes into the roof and the slope down. Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now look at the difference with the 58. 58 had its own flavors, which is interesting. Again, a lot of expression in the side. I love it comes around, but that vent was just priceless. The wraparound rear window. And again, they captured the caddy look right there with that C-pillar. See how airy it is? Wraparound windshield, which really extended in. 58 was such a unique year, yet it was underappreciated for so long. Nice little Plymouth. 58, of course. Coming along nicely over here. Now look at the differences. Thank you. Look at the differences on 58s, okay? This is what Exner did, which influenced GM. You see the difference with Mitchell? How complicated that is, how simple that is. That was the future. And then, of course, speaking of fins, look at the comparison between the 59. The epitome of fins. Now here you go, you can see the growth, which is interesting. The earlier Cadillac, the way how it's sprouting fins, and even the Chrysler back there, Imperial, had the fin to some extent. Look at that arch. Oh my gosh. Again, 59 Caddy. I want to just show you just how crazy this is all cast. Wow. How heavy this thing is. Of course. Then 58 Ford Retractable. Another idea which they tried over here. Actually, that was developed for the Mark II, but it never came to be. They did use it on the Retractable, on the full-size Ford, the Skyliner, but they backed it up with a convertible, the Sunliner. You can see videos on these in action on northeastwheelsevents.com. Do check it out. It is quite interesting. Quite interesting indeed. Again, 59 Cadillac. I'm going to breeze through because we've seen those 58. We've gone through the 58. There's the DeSoto. DeSoto was really on its way out, unfortunately so. This is a convertible, done very cleanly. Again, I want to just highlight this. You can see the differences between the 58 Chevy and the DeSoto, the Fire Dome. It's just beautiful. Very clean, straightforward. Whereas the 58, they were still adding more and more stuff to it. Not as clean. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, commonly known as Hershey, on the Saturday show. We're going to end it here at this 58 Bonneville. You want overchromed and insane, here it is. This is a crazy car. I want to even show you on the hood.
Two of them.
Not only Pontiac, but Bonneville spelled out. It was not enough to have Pontiac. Not one spear, but two spears on both sides. You want more chrome? There you go. Add to it. This is great. Tri-power, yes, it's got 3 carburetors. I've got to show you a couple more details. Look at this carpeting.
Yeah. That one over there had a... Well, let's see.
Look at that. And look at this dash. Now another thing which I want to show you, that radio with the handle, it pulls out. That's an actual transistor radio which can be used outside. That's your cigarette lighter. Look at that. And that's an individual bar. Oh my gosh, you talk about over the top. This is 50s epitome. This is remarkable, just remarkable. Let's continue further back. I always love the highlight of the flank. Look at these quarters coming back. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And while you're there, post and share your events. And if you want to see more cool and unusual cars, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.